wanted to crack TS MSET or AP MSET 2021, you can register to Unacademy Plus. If you go for Unacademy subscription, you will get daily live classes, live tests and quizzes, and you can also have unlimited access. Courses are starting soon, so get subscribed so that you can access their entire courses. And this course will be available for the students for both PCM and PCB. Students, if you are Unacademy Plus subscriber, you will have multiple benefits. You can access premium content at affordable prices. You can attend regular quizzes for your self analysis, and you can also attend full length mock tests. Here is the best plan for MSET 2021 aspirants. There is 12 months plan and 6 months plan. A 12 months plan altogether you have to pay 12,375, which is 1,031 rupees per month. We are going to see how to access all the free courses and free quizzes in Unacademy app. So UNACADEMY Unacademy learning app, and click on install. Click on accept. So now, as you can see, app is installed. Click on open. So now let's see how to score 150 plus marks in JEE mains. Okay, so first important thing is you need to concentrate on high weightage topics. Okay, concentrate on high weightage topics. Okay, so what does it mean? So what is meant by concentrating on high weightage topics? For example, let's take maths as an example. In maths, let's think there are 4 different chapters. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so from there are let's think there are 4 different topics, and coming to the first topic, in previous year's papers, the weightage is 2 questions will be asked in this from the first topic. 1 question will be asked from the second topic. 4 questions will be asked from the third topic, and 6 questions will be asked from the fourth topic. If this is the case, first you need to concentrate on fourth topic and third topic. Okay, then if you still have time, then go for first topic. Like this, based on the questions asked from the topic and based on the weightage, you need to prioritize which topics to concentrate. Okay, attempt the questions in which you are confident. Attempt the questions in which you are confident. Okay, for example, in after seeing the paper, you understood that few questions are very easy. You're feeling that few questions are very easy, and you're very confident that you're going to solve them very quickly. So first go for those questions and first attempt those questions. Okay, and also start solving easy questions. If you have for example, if you have 10 questions in the paper and out of which 4 are difficult, 2 are moderate, 4 are easy, first go for these 4 easy questions and solve them. Okay, if you start solving difficult questions, most of the time will be occupied just for these difficult questions. Instead of that, if you start solving easy questions first and then moderate questions, within first few minutes you can solve all the moderate and easy questions, and then at last when you have plenty much time, then you can go for solving difficult question. Okay, so this is very intelligent strategy which each and every student who is giving JEE mains must remember and follow. Okay, don't spend much time on single question. Okay, if you start spending so much time on a single question, at the final stage you will be running out of the time. You will not have time even to solve the questions which are very easy and which you are very confident upon. Okay, so don't waste much time on single question. Okay, if you are not getting answer for single question, if you are unable to solve that question within less than 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, then go for next question. Okay, so next important tip is think and answer. Think and answer. See, sometimes what happened is, if there are 4 options for a question, 2 options will be really near. Okay, there will be like very similar. 2 of the options will be very similar, and the students will be confused. Like, out of 2 options, what is the correct answer? That's why you need to first of all read the question twice. Read the question carefully. That's why you need to read the question carefully and then start solving the question. Okay, so next important thing is time management. Time management is really important. Allocate time for each and every question. Okay, first, before entering into the exam hall only, fix your mind that you have very limited time to solve the paper. That's why allocate the time before only. Okay, if you think you need to allocate only 1 minute for a single question, after 1 minute you need to proceed with second question. Okay, you need not get stuck on single question. Don't random guess. Only go for intelligent guess. So what does this mean? First, let's see what is meant by random guess. Okay, for example, let's think there are 4 questions. Okay, for first question answer is A, second question answer is A, third question answer you got as A, and you are unable to solve the fourth question, and you don't know the answer for fourth question. Okay, you should not blindly guess that. Okay, so first 3 questions has answer as option A, so fourth question also may be having answer A as option. Okay, so like this is called random guess. This is absolutely wrong procedure. You should not follow random guess. Okay, just go for intelligent or logical guess. Okay, what is meant by intelligent or logical guess means, see, for example, let's think you have a question and you have 4 different options, and after solving this problem or after seeing this question, you understood that the correct answer may be one of either answer A or answer D. Okay, you are confident that B and C are wrong options. Okay, so in this particular situation you can guess. Okay, you can guess the correct, you can guess the relevant option. You can see, as you're left only with 2 options. In this particular case, you already eliminated 2 options. You are just left with 2 options, and if you wanted to take risk, you can go for these kind of guesses. This is called intelligent or logical guess. Okay, so next important point is prioritize. Priority is very important even while your preparation or even while solving your exam paper. It's really important to prioritize. First, first understand from which from which subject to from which subject to solve, from which subject to answer, and from which question to answer. Subject in the sense, out of the available subjects select one subject, and out of questions, out of 3 different levels of questions, that is, you'll be having easy questions, moderate questions, and difficult level questions, right? First you need to go for easy level questions and start solving them. Okay, next important thing is concentrate on each and every question. While reading the question, while solving the problem, your 100% concentration should be in the question only. You should not think about anything else. Okay, stay, spend first few minutes in reading the question paper. Okay, so that you'll understand how many questions are difficult, how many questions are easy, how much time approximately you're going to take to solve the paper. Okay, you will get a rough figure of the question paper. So spend first few minutes in reading the question paper. Okay, so next is read the question correctly. Okay, this tip is really important. Few questions will be really confusing. They may ask in two different forms. Okay, choose the option which is correct, choose the option which is incorrect. Okay, so few other questions also will be there, such as what is the, this kind of question, and what is not the, they'll ask you to choose the option which is what is the, and they may also ask the question in the form of what is not the so and so. Okay, so if you miss this not in the question, if you miss out reading not in the question, the answer is going to be wrong. Okay, so that's why read the question correctly. And another important thing is, don't panic after checking the paper. Okay, you don't know answers for the few questions, it's absolutely fine. And remember other important point, if you are feeling the paper tough, then all the students are also going to be feeling the same. They will also feel the paper tough. Okay, so you're not the only person who are feeling the tough. There are thousands of the students who are along with you, so the paper for them also will be equally tough. Okay, and don't panic, just be confident. Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss a video from Best Way to Study. And also don't forget to like and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching.